So I'm just going to quickly open up my Google Chromes because I can't remember what it's called. It's like physics dot overlap sphere. It's like something. Yeah, it's over sphere. Okay. So first we need. Are we even gonna have health? Nah, no, we don't need health. We're just gonna make them explode because we don't have time for health. So we're just gonna have a little function here called public. Because if we're exploding, what we want to do is we're actually going to send a message to the server, and the server will make it explode. And then we're going to send a message, and we're going to check whether or not the server sent the message. Maybe. Yep, we're going to do that. So I'm going to have a public void function. This is going to be a send receive function, and this is going to be just simply called destroy. And then it's just going to send a simple message back to enview.rpc of, I don't know, or maybe I think it's actually going to be network.server.destroy. Destroy play objects. Can we just like .game object? No, we can't just destroy a specific game object. Okay, so we'll just do an RPC call. So we'll do an RPC of void. I don't know whether or not you could just destroy an object easy. It's going to say destroy box. But it's going to ask for a I don't know, just maybe a box, a game object for box, and for maybe the maybe this is not going to be a RPC because we only want the server to be able to do it. No, we want a network player. Player. There we go. Encodes player. Okay. So before you even send a message, we're going to do it if network.player. Is it network.peer type is equal to server. Then we're going to send a message to enview to RPC of name dot server, and the argument is going to be game object and network dot player. It's going to be our two things, and the box is going to be just simply we've done that. So what's it called again? Destroy box. No spaces, no space. Obviously, because there can't be no space. There can't be spaces in void names. That's simple. How do we do this function? Very simple. So when our box explodes, we're actually going to send a message saying explode box. Network. Have we just asked for box? We don't really care about box, do we? We just really want the location. So like I don't know, a vector 3 of location, or maybe origin. We'll ask for origin. No one wants origin. So yeah, it's fine. I don't think we need anything else. Everything is colliders, that's fine. I think we're fine. Yeah, I don't really have a problem here. That's enough. So then what we're going to do is then we're going to go, or maybe we want the player. So you go, hey, this box wants to explode. We want to check whether or not you have the right player ID, right? Yeah, okay. If selected, and if input dot get key down of dot right click, maybe space, then we want to explode. If network dot peer type is equal to network peer type. Oh, sorry, that's my fault. I forgot you could just do the short version. Then we do this. Else if equal to server, then what we're going to do is basically class access dot explode That's all we really need right now. There's a message, I'll just close that. This should be public. Oh. There we go. And then the origin is going to be transform. It's going to be our transform. Oh wait, it should be transform to position. Oh, there's a problem. There we go. So, transform the position. If it's client, then we go and enview.rpc of explode box dot server dot I don't know, transform.position. That seems right. So this is whether or not we're checking. This concludes there has to still be a play ID, right? Okay. So then we're gonna explode it. We aren't actually gonna ask for a player. Because when we destroy it, we're concluding that it has to be that. So do we care if we do again? No, because you can't destroy again because it has to be. Yeah, we're checking that it has to. The GUID has to get to the player ID. So we're just gonna do that, and then we're gonna go. Okay, well, collider of hit colliders is equal to physics dot overlap sphere origin, and radius we'll say, I don't know, like 2 blocks wide. So I is equal to 0. I'm just getting this off, by the way, off the site of Unity scripting API, whatever the kind of API they've got. This way it's just easier than me trying to. If you know how it works, it just makes it a bit easier. We'll just say destroy. If player dot we're getting the player ID. Actually, we don't want that. We want the appear type. Nah, I'm fine for whatever we've got. We'll just destroy it. So we're checking if we're just going to show the box. We're just going to go do we need to send a message? We're just gonna go through those, and for each hit, we're just gonna go destroy a box. Then we're gonna go, I know, hit colliders dot I dot game object. And then we're just gonna destroy those, and this is just gonna be destroy and a box. I know whether or not that's going to update to everyone. You can try. Spawn box. So host, spawn. Did it crash? I crashed it. Holy cow. The computer's not ready for that. Okay, networking example. Back up. Let's do it again. Yeah, it's broken. And people are gonna be looking at me like, what? Why would you just open up, try again? Well, I just want to see. Well, what did I do wrong? I pressed spacebar. It's server, so exploding at this position. So it's going to send that thing out while enter 0. Is it just an endless loop that we caused? I think we literally just caused an endless loop. Oh, we have to close that. There we go. We'll just see if this fixes it. See if this fixes it. Oh, okay. We want a collider here, but we don't want to check it because that's just going to destroy everything. Do we have like a special number? Box. Okay. For int I is equal. I is less than hitch colliders dot length. Layer mask. Oh yes, we can do a layer mask, which is going to be public layer mask. I plus plus. And then we're gonna have to create a new layer. I'm just gonna call this box. And then the main command should be using box. Everything, yay. And this is not box, so whenever we are showing the same, we're saying we will destroy box. This should be fine. So as we set these things to box, nothing will happen. Spawn box, host spawn box. Well, we don't want to spawn ourselves, destroy ourselves. That's the only problem. Can we like, there ain't two really. I get what I've done. I didn't do the I++, that's why I did it. Damn it. I forgot the I++. Yeah, that's my bad. 36 minutes. Maybe, yeah, it's probably gonna be 2 parts. Sorry, guys. We can always just check whether or not you're equal to the origin. If hit gliders of i.gameObject transform position is equal to origin, we want to make sure if it's not equal, by the way. So that's my fault. I will just do that. My mistake. Now this should make it, if we spawn box, it won't destroy itself. Yay! And then if we spawn another box and we just move these closer. Sorry, unselect G. Like this, if we click this, it will destroy those boxes. Now I am more interested. It creates a sphere. So the radius is obviously high and low. We may not want to do that. We may just want to. Well, we kind of want to do that. Maybe just want to do like a capsule. Yeah, this is what you kind of want, but we won't be doing this. But yeah, I think this is pretty good. Yeah, I like it. So we'll start by building and running. Make sure it builds. Or maybe 2 of these, and we can even run the main one. We'll run these. We'll run one on screen. Do you know, we'll run both of them on screen. This way, we can just kind of check. Say host, connect, spawn box. Spawn box. So I move this box around, easy. I can't move this box around. I can move this box around, move back into center. I can't move this box around. I click this, it won't destroy itself because it's blue. But if I, obviously it won't destroy itself. But if I move this in and then press spacebar, it does not destroy on my screen. Sends it to the host, doesn't it? That seems very interesting. So the host must not update everyone else. We can just have something simple. Destroy box. Enview.rpc of destroy box and then we want rpc mode all buffered, and this is the arguments, which are just going to be hit gliders of i.gameObject. I believe. Okay, just you wonder what I want you to do. I just wanted you to do that, but apparently you didn't want to. We'll just do this. This should easily fix the problem. I can't imagine there being a problem after this. It's just like this one right here. Full size, close, brings over here, plate, brings over here. Host, connect, spawn box, spawn box. You can't send game objects, damn it. You can send vector 3s, can't you? Can you? Let's see. Googling, or like scripting API. You can send You can send vector 3s and quaternions. Okay, good. So we'll just send dot transform. We'll ask for vector 3. Or maybe we could just send it a name. Yeah, we may just send a name. I guess we could send a hit collider. No, we can't send a hit collider. Yeah, we may just send a string. And ask for a string and go box name. But then each person is destroying that box. That's really annoying because each person has to find the game object then destroy it. Wish we could just destroy it on the main person and everyone else would update, but that's fine. Destroy. Go find there you go, I think that's it. We will try it here, just to make sure we can actually destroy it. It's not destroying. Do all connected clients. Oh, it's... We're not actually calling it ourselves. Oh yeah, obviously, because... No, but we still should be doing it ourselves. It's obviously not including ourselves. Because we're asking the player to create one. Do we have to do it ourselves too? Let's have a look how sandbox works. Because right now it's not destroying it, it's sending it all. So host spawn box. Send that to all clients. Yes. Spawn another box. How are we building one? Let's see. We'll put it here. Spawn a box. Oh, host and connect. Maybe that's the other way. Spawn box. Spawn box. Okay, it's not destroying it. That's good, somewhat. That means that now I can actually just run this and check if the name's right. What did we did wrong? I mean, what did we did wrong? Really? This makes no sense. We didn't change anything. What the freak? There's no reason for it not to be suddenly working. We added a single debug. See, now it's calling it, but you're telling me if I don't have a host, if I only have a host, I can't destroy things. I'm just sending a direct command to expo box. Is there some problem here? It's saying it sent the message. Is it just not receiving the message? Received. It's saying it received it. It's just not doing anything. It's just... Is it colliding? Is it... Debug. Gliders. So I mean that. Yeah, gliders.length. Is there just nothing there? Oh, is it just me being stupid? Maybe it could just be me being stupid. I don't like it doesn't send how it doesn't send command. I really don't. I understand how it works. It's just I made a mistake there, but I don't like it. I don't like the system that it still doesn't want to send a command. We're getting box 0. So if we create host double toil and trouble, we're getting sent call added up that to buffer. Oh, I actually have to debug log. I forgot that. That's my fault. Host spawn box. Where's only box 1? So box 1 should be destroyed. Alright, that's stupid. I really... Sometimes you just have those days. Wow. You're probably all like looking at that going, oh my gosh, when is he gonna realize? Never. Apparently. There we go. What I really like is that it's dynamic line. Look at those shadows, that's pretty damn cool. And now if we spawn another box, these are completely dynamic shadows. So if we just like see it gets lighter and lighter. I just love it so much. Okay, that's it. We're done. How do you guys like that? Freaking, that is pretty much Moba in a nutshell. The fact that we can do spells and those spells can have effects. So there's no animation, but do you really care? Probably. Okay. Let's be honest. Because you guys probably care so much. We may just want to do like a little animation. No, we're not gonna do any animations. 15 minutes by. 50 minutes have passed by, so yeah, we don't want to do any more. I think I'm happy with how much I've done right now. This is the system. You can download in the description below. It comes with both of the scripts. I do have Scoreboard Manager. I can't delete that. That was because someone wanted a prefab. Yeah, so it does come with both cubes and a example class, and obviously a move class. The move class is quite cool. It's definitely useful if you want to use that move class for moving anything. It's actually a pretty simple one. For moving cubes left and right, it's not particularly great, but it does have no gravity associated with them. But obviously there's no moving towards that position. I mean, there's kind of teleport, but it's still kind of cool. It's pretty good if you're going to use any game that has server connections, since it does have essentially the basic server stuff. So even if you're not going to build this cube thing, you still may want to download it if you're missing something wrong or whatever. You don't need it, of course. But obviously it's in the description below. Remember, if you're ever going to make any changes to any of it, this is included to your one too, obviously. You can always make sure you build and run. I prefer that than having to go through the build system and stuff. I would say the system is completely finished, honestly. So this is it. You can obviously you can move these things across. Obviously, so test environment final, and we're gonna keep the development build on, but we're going to turn off script debugging. Actually, we'll keep it on, and I will keep copy. I'll build this, and I'll call this just going to delete that and first data. We're going to call this test 64. Obviously, the 32-bit and 64-bit are compatible completely. Don't worry. And then we're also going to build a test 32. And then we're going to create just a simple folder called the test environments, or maybe just executables. Put these in here. Just do this because I'm lazy. And obviously all the data. Yeah, we'll just put these in and make sure we don't drag any. Put them in my folder. And then we're going to do like simple 32-bit. We may even add a few more. I'm just going to kind of show you how you'd build it. So you'd have 64 win. We'd have 32 win. So this is 32 with 32. No, this one I can never remember which ones. Okay. So this one and this one, these go under 32-bit along with the data. Make sure you have the data, obviously, and that goes in there. Then maybe even create a new folder, call it Mac, and why not even a new one, call it Linux. If I can actually spell it. There we go. Mac OS. We'll just use the universal. No, I must not have. Guys, I guess we are just going to use the universal. The universal is just going to be easier. It means that you can use it regardless on what system you're running on. Universal Mac. So you don't require 64-bit or a whatever. It is obviously an app folder, so you can obviously just click it, and we will do the universal one for this. Headless mode, don't know what that means. That seems cool. And then we're going to call this Linux. Let's go down folder. So here's our Linux universal. Obviously, remember you can't run these without Linux, and obviously you can't run the Macintosh without the Mac. So I believe just by putting this under the Mac thing, it will work. Even though it's a folder here, I believe it will become a normal thing. And then obviously you got your Windows data and stuff like that. So they all work completely. They're all I believe they're all compatible. I don't know why they wouldn't be, but I can't say for certain, so just take that in mind. It should all work. I'm sorry if there's a problem with it obviously not working. I will update that. There's obviously all these things you can do, but I'm not going to obviously do them. I don't really mind if you change it, redistribute that, all that stuff is fine. but obviously don't just go around saying to yours. Obviously, but I doubt this would be used anywhere significant, obviously. Anyway, so you guys, hope you guys have a lot of fun today. I know I can't speak. Yeah, having the worst day. I'll go out now. Yeah, so that's it, but essentially. I know the reason I did all that stuff on camera was kind of to show you how to do it and stuff. But anyway, see you guys next time.